Fixing a non-filling toilet tank.
Hello there. One of the common bathroom problems is a toilet tank that doesn't fill up with water. Don't worry, it's typically something you can tackle yourself. In this guide, we'll go through some simple steps to diagnose and fix a toilet tank that isn't filling.
Why isn't my toilet tank filling?
Understanding the root of the problem can make solving it a lot easier. The most common causes include 1. Faulty fill valve. This is responsible for controlling the flow of water into the tank. 2. Blocked water line. Debris or mineral deposits can obstruct water flow. 3. Closed shut-off valve. This valve is located near the base of the toilet and controls the water supply.
How do I check the shut-off valve?
1. Locate the shut-off valve. It's typically a knob or a lever near the base of the toilet. 2. Ensure it's fully open. Sometimes, it might have been turned off accidentally or not fully opened after maintenance. If the shut-off valve is fully open and there's still no water flow, move on to the next section.
How do I inspect the fill valve?
1. Remove the tank lid. Place it safely to the side to avoid breakage. 2. Check the float. This is a plastic or rubber balloon-like component. If it's stuck or in the up position, it might be preventing the tank from filling. Gently push it down and see if water starts to flow. 3. Clean the valve. Mineral deposits can hinder the fill valve's function. Turn off the shut-off valve. Flush the toilet to empty the tank, and then clean the fill valve with a small brush. If after these steps the tank still isn't filling, the fill valve might be faulty and need replacement.
What if it's neither of these issues?
If neither of the above solutions work, 1. Inspect the water line. Ensure it's not kinked or blocked. Sometimes, a simple adjustment can restore the flow. 2. Consider professional help. If you're still facing issues, it might be time to call a plumber, as there could be more complex problems at play. Fixing a toilet tank that's not filling is often a simple DIY task, but knowing when to call in professionals is crucial. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your issue. Remember, when in doubt, always prioritize safety first. Happy plumbing!